So we're just going to go ahead and start by brushing out all of our hair, and then you will be brushing all of your hair to the left side of your head. This hairdo is just going to be a low bun on the side of your neck, and there's not going to be any part. So it's basically like you're side sweeping all of your hair to the left and then putting it in a ponytail. So after you finished brushing and keeping it nice and smooth, put your ponytail holder in, making sure that the hair stays smooth so that the entire look stays clean and fresh looking. So for this you'll need a hair donut. I will explain what that is in a second, but what you're going to do is take that donut and put it through your hair and then splay your hair out around the donut. Once it's evenly spread out around the donut so you can't see the actual donut, you will take a hair tie and press that over your hair so that it stays in place. If you have another way of applying a hair donut, go ahead and do that, but I like this way the best because I feel like this stays most secure and it won't fall out. After that, you're going to take all of the excess hair and wrap it around, basically like around the bun, and then you will bobby pin that in. Use as many bobby pins as you need, and then go around the rest of your head, pinning up your flyaways, hairspraying, gelling down anything that is sticking out. We don't want any little crazy baby hairs everywhere. So anyway, what a hair donut is, it depends on your hair color, length, and thickness. So everyone has dark hair, so you should buy either black hair donut or a dark brown hair donut. And then if your hair is thin, get a smaller donut. So if you have really thin hair, don't get a big donut. The donut that she's using is the one that I use because I have thick hair. So make sure that you get that according to your hair type.